This video shows you how to unbox the high-capacity input tray for your WF-C17590 or WF-C20590. Open the main box. Remove the top and side cushioning materials. Set aside the box containing the connection parts. Have two workers place their hands on the bottom of the high-capacity input tray and lift it out of the box. Take off the plastic bag covering the unit. Remove all protective tape and the cable connector. Pull open the cassette and remove the protective materials and tape. Watch the other training videos listed here.